Hello everyone, my name is Yash Gurjar. This is the operating system assignment video. My course was the MCA-5Y semester 6 section B. This is all over the video for the upcoming documents of operating system. My topic was file management system. Let's look it on the next slide. Introduction to memory management. Memory management is the function of the operating system. It's manage a primary memory RAM, ensure efficient use of memory allocations and deallocations of memory to process. This on the look at on the next slide. Logical versus physical address space. In the first, the logical address space, a logical address, also known as the virtual address, is generated by the CPU while a program is running. Address space, the set of all logical address generated by a program is called its logical address space. Second was physical address space. Address space, the set of all physical address corresponding to the logical address is a physical address space. Third was the bridge, the MMU. The mapping for the logical to physical address deceleration, a hardware device are called the memory management unit. There is a working like a physical address, logical address, and relocation plus iterations. Let's looking on the next slide. Memory management techniques. There are the three pillars for the memory management techniques is context elections, picking and swapping. First of all, continuations elections. In the early days of the computing, election was the standard. It's required that is the process to restore a single continuous block for a memory address. Imagine a parking a lot where the bus needed to a five spot in the row. If there are five spots open but they are scattered around the lot, the bus can't park. Second was pegging. The pegging to solve the fragmentations problem of the allocation, most modern systems use pegging. These techniques break physical memory into fixed size the block called frames and break logical memory. The process into block of the same size called pages because of the OS can mapping any pages to a level to frame. The process doesn't need to be stored in the content spaces. Swapping. Swapping is the memory management same used to with the RAM full, but the CPU need to run different processes from the RAM and moves into a temporary storage space to the hard drive, the backing history. This is the memory management techniques. Let's look in on the next page. Evolution of memory placement. The drawbacks of allocations, the primary disadvantages of continuous allocation is the external fragmentation, which occurs when total free memory is enough for a process but is not available to one continuous block, leaving the space unusable. Second was non-controllable allocations. The non-controllable allocation, such as pegging and segmentations, was developed to eliminate the fragmentation issue of a content system. It is allow a process to break into similar part and store available process for the through the physical memory regardless for the locations. Let's looking on the next page. Concept basis implementation. There are the two types, the virtual memory and dependent memory. Virtual memory is a memory that manage the techniques that is create the illusions for the user that computer has much a large RAM that it actually designed by using a potential for the hard drive. It is exertions. This is allow large program to run even if the physical RAM is limited. Damaging penguin. The damaging penguin, which is actual process of the loading data. Instead of the loading an entire program into memory, it wants the demand penguin only brings specific pages into the RAM. The CPU actually demands them if the required pages on the RAM. A situation called page fault. The system filtered from the disk ensure the memory to use the efficient error from the what is currently necessary. Let's look on the next page. Let's look at the conclusion. Memory management is a crucial function of the operating system that can ensure the utilization of memory resources. Techniques such as the penguin swapping, control as a non-controlling memory management demand penguin allow execution of large programming with limited physical memory concept like a page replacement and frame allocations improve our performance where the issue like stressing highlights the need of proper memory handling overall the different memory management same working together ensure the system performance readability. Thank you for the watching this video. This is the all over the video for the operating system. The topic was memory management. Now, memory management is the system, the software that manages computer hardware and software resources is provided as a service program. Thank you for watching.